Hi there, I'm Eric with Cowboy Compost, and I'm here to explain a little bit about your new bin. First off, I want to say thank you for composting with us and reducing waste in the North Texas area. Alright, so a little bit about your bin. You can see it might look a little sleeker, smaller than that 5-gallon bucket you have been using. It's actually a little bit bigger, so you're not losing any space there. The main difference is that it's going to come with this handy compostable liner. Now this is it's a compostable plastic made out of corn ethanol, and you can see it's labeled as 100% certified compostable. So this is something that we can take and put it into the compost bin, and it'll break down and return to soil, just like all those food scraps that you've been giving us. So you're going to take your new liner and your new bin, and this liner will fit nice and snugly around the top. There we go. And you're ready to use it. Now you can fill it up with all that same stuff that you've been putting into your old compost bin. So we've got banana peels, orange peels, right? That can all go in there. Now don't forget to pull off the little stickers, those little plastic labels on your produce. These are not compostable, they have to go into the trash, so please pull those off. So we've got some old herbs, we've got coffee grounds here. Now the coffee filter, that can go into the bin as well. That goes for most of those things like paper towels, napkins, those dull colored paper products. Those can go into the bin as well. We can't take anything shiny, right? Those shiny plastic wax-lined cups, plates, those are not compostable. Those have to go into the trash as well. This dull-colored stuff, that's perfect for us. Now we've got an avocado shell. This is pretty tough stuff. If you were composting in your backyard, this would be really hard to break down. We can take this, it's pretty easy for us to break this down into soil. So things, even that tough stuff like shells, like seafood, like meats, we can take that all. So don't forget to put that into your compost bin for us to pick up. Alrighty, so now once you're filling this up, there are a few little tricks. You can use a little bin or a bucket right here in your kitchen. You can fill that up, put your food waste in there. You can keep this in a garage or outside somewhere where all of a sudden you're dumping into it and keeping it nice and closed. That's a trick for not having it taking up so much space in your kitchen if you want. Alright, so then this folds up, and when you fold the handle up like this, it's nice and secure, nice, tight, and closed. Now on your pickup day, you're going to bring this out to the front porch where we can see it from the road, and we're going to come by it and we're going to exchange it with a brand new liner, and we're going to take all that food waste with us. Now let's go check that out. Alright, so you're going to take your bin and we're putting it right here on the front porch where we can see it from the street. Now when we come by from Cowboy Compost, we can see it nice and clearly. We're going to come up here, we're going to pull your old liner out. We're going to take all that food waste with us, and we're going to leave you with a brand new liner right here and ready to go. Alrighty, thank you so much, and please enjoy your brand new compost bucket from Cowboy Compost.